Good morning, it's Hitesh from L2W Digital. I was with a client last night and we were talking about what's going to kind of bring people to your business. And I want to just show you a couple of products just to see what you think really. Would this get your attention to come and transact with me? Or would order banana? I guess. Yes, obviously if you're very hungry, the banana may be more appealing. So as you can see here, the two difference in sort of lead magnets we've got here is a gold Rolex watch and a banana. Obviously, are the two different on the spectrum scale, if you like. One's at the higher end, one's at the lower end. One's got a perceived value. One's got something which is going to demonstrate status. It's definitely worth a lot of money, whereas the other is just a banana, really. So, I guess what could you give away, or that's got a perceived value within cost, obviously, that is going to maybe wow your prospect or allow them to solve a really quick problem that will make a difference. And I think this is a great way not only to get people in, but also to start build a relationship as well. I think obviously you've got to be careful with the sorts of lead magnets you give away, because I mean, if you was to give a gold watch to anyone, they may not be your right customer. You need to ensure that you are targeting these lead magnets at your target customer, really, just so that they're not just with you for the freebie. Or even if you could add a condition to the lead magnet to say you only guess it once you transacted with me, especially if it's of a certain value. If it's a free lead magnet, that's different, obviously. I mean, in the online world, you tend to see people giving away some content, some videos, even books, actually. So think about your lead magnet and what's going to add value to them. Now, if you're a banana, could work. I mean, if you're targeting someone who wants to get fit, or someone who wants a really healthy snack, and you give them a banana there and then, there's probably a good chance they may take it from you. So never also underestimate the lead magnet you're proposing to give away. The reason why I was talking with the client last night is because we went out for a few drinks in central Manchester. We actually went to a place where they did 10p chicken wings. So you could buy either a single chicken wing or as many as you like for 10p each. The only catch basically was that you had to buy a drink with it. Now the drink was a normal price. They could easily charge you a premium, but what this did is it actually brought people in. Now there's a good chance that they probably made a loss on the chicken wings or even just broke even, but what's happened is it's got people talking about their business. I think initially they only did this on Wednesdays only, but I think they've rolled it out every day just because of the success of the campaign. So what else could you do, using that as an example? I'm not saying to give chicken wings away to your customers, but what could you do that's different to bring in attention or get people through the door when it's somewhat quiet, or you just want to make things up a bit? Let me know below what you've done for your lead magnet. I'd be keen to see what's worked for you. Please check out our other videos on our YouTube channel, and I'll see you again soon.